Getting Cashapp in UK is very easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can get Cashapp in UK. To the process is very simple. You need to have a VPN, and after installing the VPN, suppose this is the VIP and I'm using I would like United States, and I'm going to turn it down. After that I can easily go to the Google and I will be able to download the Cashapp application. So I just search for Cashapp APK and I'll go to this language is APK Pure, and I can simply download the Cashapp by tapping on the DAB, and it will take me to the new button here. After tap on that button again, it will start downloading the Cashapp. As an APK iOS user can simply turn on the VPN and go to the App Store. You can easily install that. You should also have you not change your App Store region to America as well. After that, after installing the Cashapp, you have to open up your Cashapp application, and there you have to type in the phone number. Another real problem is you need to have an American phone number in order to use the Cashapp. So for that you have to any of the American French, and you have to tell them that can you please give me your phone number for the Cashapp properties. If it gives you the phone number, you can simply put there, it will send him according to put the code right back here, and your Cashapp account should be ready to use anywhere. You can use it in UK very easily, just need to turn on the VPN before using it. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it, because find this for the Apple